Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California Contractor License Study Guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-21 Building, Moving, and Demolition License and Exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-21 contractor license? A C-21 license is issued to a contractor who raises, lowers, cribs, underpins, demolishes, and moves or removes structures, including their foundations. There are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license, social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements. You have to have 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document that experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. The exam is closed book, so there are no reference materials allowed to be brought into the testing facility. The questions are set up as multiple choice in an ABCD format. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator is provided. The testing is done on site and the results are immediate. The exam is broken down into 5 major sections. Planning and estimating is about 24% of the exam. Project preparation, 20%. Building and moving, 5%. Structure demolition, 34%. And safety covers 17% of the questions. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. If wind speed is so great that the structure being moved swerves from side to side, what action should the contractor take? D. Postpone the move until it is less windy. A 2-story building that has 2,000 square feet of floor space per story is being demolished and generating 40 pounds of debris per square foot of floor space. How many tons of debris will this project generate, excluding the roof? C. 80 tons. When using a cut-off saw to cut steel beams, which of the following should be worn? Gloves and a face shield, for sure. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of ABCD questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.